All right, it's going to be a rainy weekend for some, and we could have some strong storms too. Let's get right to it and look outside right now. We are dry and mostly to totally cloudy. Kind of warm too, but not as warm as yesterday. 77 at the San Antonio airport, Stinson at 79. And we have that breeze out of the southeast at 14 miles per hour. It's pretty much been that way for the past 3 days. And we're seeing that humidity up there at 74%. That continues to go up as we get more moisture slowly moving in ahead of the chance for the rain and storms. 89 in Cotulla, was in the upper 90s yesterday at this time. Not today. 89 Pearsall, Hondo at 82, 78 Kerrville, Gonzales 79, 78 New Braunfels, 79 in Seguin, and also 79 in Floresville. Showing you the national map because you can kind of pick out where the cold front is that's coming our way. Right about here where the green is, it separates the cold air from the warm air, and it's kind of like a conveyor belt. The storms ride along the jet stream, and they end up here when it's this far south. So that's what we're looking at as we head into the next several days, into the weekend as well. Pretty good chances for some rainfall, but the chance for those strong storms along with that. Nothing today. We've got mostly cloudy skies, a couple isolated areas of drizzle or showers. You see that up towards Austin, and a little bit more down here towards Pleasanton. That is an actual shower. A lot of that probably not even reaching the ground quite yet, though. Widening the view, you can see a lot of cloud cover across Texas. Not a whole lot west of Dallas, but the rest of the state looking at the clouds. And you see the spin out here across parts of Arizona and west or eastern Southern California. That's what's headed our way. And we'll see that with the hour-by-hour forecast. You can make it out better here on the water vapor imagery. That low will hook up with the moisture moving in from the Pacific and bring us those increased rain chances. Hour-by-hour futurecast will start you out at 9 o'clock tonight. You see the clock in the quarter. Some clouds out there. I'll call it mostly cloudy. I'm thinking a bit more cloud cover than this one showing. Not much in the way of precipitation, though. Maybe an isolated shower overnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, we could see some showers and an isolated storm overnight tonight. Not expecting severe weather tonight, though. For tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy in the morning. Could see a couple isolated showers. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. By the afternoon, here comes some sunshine. That's what we need for some instability and pop-up showers and storms. Here's drive time tomorrow. Main threats out of these storms would be large hail and also damaging winds. Any isolated tornado threat is pretty low, but we can't rule it out. And then as we head into Saturday morning, more rounds of storms coming through. The models are all differing about where these storms are actually going to end up forming. So it's going to kind of be a hit or miss thing. And we have a slight risk, a level 2 for severe storms for San Antonio, Bexar County on east and north for the day tomorrow in the morning and then again into the afternoon and evening. So mostly cloudy tonight, a stray shower, 65 the overnight low. Southeast winds are at 5 to 15. Heading into tomorrow, 71 by noon with a few afternoon showers and again in the morning too. And the possibility for stronger storms later in the day. Rain chances still calling for a 40% tomorrow, 50% Saturday and Sunday, that kind of hit or miss variety. And then we dry out and cool off as we head towards the middle of next week with highs bottoming out in the lower 60s on Tuesday and then moderating a bit heading into the rest of the week.